Hi everybody, Diesel Johnny Boy here again. Just part two of the guitar repair. So in the earlier video we removed the bridge because obviously the bridge was starting to come loose, and I decided that I'd replace it. As I say, this is a bit of a cheap guitar, cost £15. It's a Musima made in East Germany, classical acoustic guitar. We cleaned up all the machine heads, they're okay. We put some new strings on it. Then I realised the bridge was coming off, so I decided we'd repair it. Now it's obviously quite an expensive thing if you take it to a proper guitar luthier, and that's what they're called. So I thought I'd give it a bit of a go. I'm no guitar expert here, so I've probably done a few things bad. So any guitar experts, don't be too hard on me. So we bought this little jig. I found it on eBay actually, from China, £18, so it's cost more than the guitar, but it's still quite cheap. And I thought it's quite nice to save this old guitar, so I thought I'd give it a go. So basically, like in the earlier video, we removed the bridge using a hairdryer, and then we carefully cleaned the surface with a bit of sandpaper. I did mark it off with masking tape, you'll see in the other video. And then basically, after cleaning everything up, you've got it all marked out, you can stick the thing back on, stick the bridge back on. Now, there are certain types of glue you should use, so I did a bit of research, and apparently this is the glue to use. Tight Bond Genuine Hide Glue. Now the real professionals use this hot heated glue. Now this is made of dead animals, I believe, which is a bit gross. So I'm a vegetarian, so I was a bit put off by it, but this is the stuff you use, because this glue can be removed. So with the other glues like epoxy and that wood glue, which you probably could use, you can never get it off, and if you try to get it off, it'll probably tear the whole guitar apart because it's actually stronger than the wood itself once the glue's gone off. So this is the correct glue to use. You put a load of it on there, quite generous on, so you put a load of it on, then you put the bridge on, and it's very slow setting, so you can wiggle the thing around. It doesn't start gluing and sticking very quickly, so it's a slow set glue, so it gives you a chance to realign things. So anyway, I put a load of that glue on, then we carefully put the thing on. This is like a little jig thing, you put that on. These are, I'll tell you about in a minute, and you slide this thing in. It's like the deep mouth clamp, so it goes into the guitar, clamps up underneath. It's got like a metal thing. It's just pretty basic stuff, to be honest with you, but it's really clever actually. It's got like a little cam on there, so once you've got it in position, you can lever that out, and it puts extra pressure on. Then you just put a couple of little wooden packers that protect the bridge in there, and then screw that one left and right. Little thing down, little threaded clamps, they just screw down. That's all there is to it. The most important thing is to make sure you've got the bridge aligned in the original position. I use the same bridge again to keep the guitar original, but if you're using a new bridge, just make sure it's all lined up properly. And then I apparently clamp it for about half an hour or so. I'll probably leave it for an hour. And then leave it for maybe 12 hours or overnight. Leave it for good long time to set before you restring the guitar. And that's all there is to it really, and hopefully that'll all be okay. Mind you, I'm so bad, I wouldn't even know bad at playing the guitar, I wouldn't even know whether I'd done a good job or not. Maybe it improved my guitar playing. Anyway, like I said, it's just a bit of fun really to put this old guitar back together. I'm sure if you had a really expensive guitar, I don't recommend you muck about with it like I have, because this is like a 40 or 50-year-old guitar, literally like a £15 guitar. A nice one. It's a good make though, so it seemed worth doing it up. I cleaned all these off. These machine heads were okay. Sometimes they're all worn out, but these ones were quite good. These white plastic things slide off. They're all greasy and gummed up. I gave it a good old clean and get a bit of polish on it. So there we go. That is it. Like I say, if you've got an old guitar and a few things wrong with it, the bridge coming loose, it's quite a common problem in older guitars. give it a go if you want to keep the old guitar going a few more years. Anyway, that's Diesel Johnny saying, signing out and saying catch up with you guys later. Take care, over and out.